This got to go on YouTube. Look at it. Look at what I got to go through. Now it was just beautiful. It was just literally beautiful. No nothing on the no snow nowhere. Now look what I got to drive through. This is insanity. I mean, I just made a video on Instagram 2 minutes ago showing how beautiful the mountains and the trees and all of that was. Now look at this. In less than a minute. I kid you not, in less than 2 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes now. Now look at it. It's just outrageous. In Wisconsin, April the 13th. Look at this. I mean, it was just straight cliff. Wasn't no snow in sight. Now look at it. Wow, wow, wow. This what I get? And I got to drive slow now. I ain't no way I'm gonna take no chances on this. I got to drive slow. Y'all know me. When stuff like when snow and stuff start falling, I start crawling. I mean crawling because not me. I mean, it went from beautiful, clear, blue, pretty skies, not no snow nowhere, to now a blizzard. Just a blizzard. It's a blizzard. That's what this is. That ain't nothing short of a blizzard. I know y'all see it. I'm making this video for y'all to see it. Look at this. This is crazy. This is like, why would y'all send me up here? Why would y'all send me up here in this here? I'm letting everybody go by me. Y'all go by. You want to go by, you can have it. The flow is yours. Go by. Go on, have it. Have at it. Have at it. I'm either be way in front of you or behind you. I'm not gonna play around on the side of you. No. This guy here, he's probably petrified. And rightfully so. Rightfully so, dude. You got a right to be scared. With all this going on now. Wow. Wow, people. Got to really be careful up out here now. Extra careful. Extra careful. Whew. I mean, we got trucks coming by. Let me let them by. Come on by. Come on. You know I ain't trying to stop Nathan. Go on and push it, Pete. Go on, Peterbilt. Push through. Push on through there. This one truck here is not finna try to stop you from doing what you're doing. Just go on, push it on through there. I'm gonna sit back here and just watch y'all. Y'all soldiers on the front line. Watching y'all. Stay back just far enough. So if anything jump off, anything pop off, anything go to slide and spin it, I can perhaps have enough time to stop and not get plowed into from behind by somebody who ain't paying attention. Mind you, the wind blowing hard. The wind is still blowing hard. From the time I left Ohio to the time I got up here, all the way through Illinois and all of that. And now up here in Wisconsin, not only is it blowing hard, now I got snow to deal with. And 28 degrees. While my people down in Florida saying it's super extremely hot down there. It was extremely hot. Man, it's you see what it is up here. Y'all see exactly what it is. That's why I tell people to get out into the world, man, because they think it's just like that all over the world and, you know, wherever they at. But when they get to see videos like this, they understand that it's way more. It's like everywhere, different scenarios, different situations. And this is one of them, where it's still snowing in April. Like blizzarding in April. Like it ain't nothing. Like it's November or something like that. Or December. Snow still all over the place, still on the ground, and it's still falling. But there it is. There you have it. I'm gonna just cut this video short. I don't want it to run 10 minutes. I just want to show y'all. And don't get it twisted. Let me show you. Look at that. That's look like the sun is kind of trying to come out of its setting. The sun is setting, but it's still out. It's still over there. But the snow say, no, I don't care nothing about that. We don't care about that. We snowing. All right. So y'all like, and share, like, share, subscribe to the Lonesome Trucker 2 channel. All right. Bye.